Hello, my name is Ishan and welcome to my life page. Today I am going to talk about storage tank designings. But before I do that, let me introduce myself. I did my schooling from Delhi Public School, Ranipur, Haridwar, and then I did my BTech in Civil Engineering from Thapar University, Patiala. After that, I joined Punj Lloyd as a steel structural designer and worked in storage tank design department. After that, I completed my Masters in Hydraulics and Water Resource Engineering from Delhi Technological University, New Delhi. Currently, I am working as an assistant professor in DIT University in Department of Civil Engineering. Storage tank designing is one of the aspects of steel structural designing. Storage tanks are required for storing crude oils after refining, and from there it is taken to respective places. So storage tanks is basically a steel structure tank which is covered by a roof structure made up of a truss roof or a different steel roof. So storage tank designing basically consists of two parts of designing. One is the roof structure, the top part, and one is the storage tank, the bottom part. So the roof part of the structure is designed basically by a structural engineer, and for designing storage tanks, you need to have knowledge of civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and chemical engineering. So as you're working in an organization, you need to have a good communication skill so that you can work with your seniors, with your juniors. You need to have a good communication. What type of design are you working on? What the demand of your senior, what the demand of the project is. If you have a good communication skill, suppose you are faced a problem, so you need to have a good communication so that you can ask the problems and you can easily understand what is the problem. And sometimes there is a problem at site, so you need to communicate with the people. One of the major positives as a storage tank designer is there is a high demand in India and in overseas of the tank designers, because there is very less people who are very skilled in software and good knowledge of the subject, and hence there is a lot of demand. So if you are looking for a career in civil engineering and mechanical engineering, storage tank designing is one of the most important career that will give you a high monetary. Since all the storage tanks are constructed on refineries, and these refineries are located at very remote locations, so one of the major challenges that you will face is you have to travel a lot while working as a storage tank designer. So when I was working in a Punj Lloyd, my day started in the morning at 9 a.m. In the morning, before starting of my day, I used to have meetings with my seniors and my project head about what is the progress of my project and how much I am in the designing part. Then I was handling two projects. One was in Singapore and one was in Mangalore. So I was working there. I was communicating with the site people, and if there is any changes in the drawings, I used to communicate with them, tell them what are the changes. Then in the afternoons, I used to sit with draftsmen, and when my design is complete, I used to tell them I have to check what are the drawings that they are preparing for the tanks. So I have to sit with the draftsmen. Then in the evening, there is a final meeting with my boss, my vice president of the department, and he should tell me about the new projects which are coming, and we have to be ready for that, and also discussing about what is the progress of the current projects. And sometimes I have to stay late till the 10 p.m. to meet the deadlines, and sometimes I have to work on Saturdays also. Generally in a design company there is Saturdays off, but they can call you, company can call you, and you have to work on Saturdays also. I hope I have given you the balanced view of storage tank designing. Thank you.